Hi everyone, I'm Suman. So in this video, let's discuss pandas in Python. So what is this pandas? So pandas is an open source library, right? This is a library where by using which we're gonna perform some data analysis, right? You're gonna perform some data manipulation as well as some data analysis. So before going deep into this pandas, let's understand what's the use of this pandas. So by using this library, we're gonna perform data analysis. Like for example, let's say in data science, we used to have a lot of data, right? So if you want to extract some meaningful information from the data, first we have to analyze the data. We have to manipulate the data, right? So in order to do that, so pandas is an recommended tool, like it's a best tool to do those things, right? So even without pandas we can just do, right? So even like within the excel itself we can just perform some data analysis, but for small kind of data it will be useful. But if the data is huge, it won't be like the excel sheets, it won't be much useful. So that's the reason why we're gonna use this pandas. So before going to this libraries, like before going to the available functions present in these pandas, so let's try to understand how we can download the pandas. So if you want to download the pandas, you can just go to the anaconda prompt, and you can just, if you want to install pandas, if you don't have pandas installed in your local system, you can just give pip, right? You can just give pip install pandas, right? You can just give pip install pandas and you can just download that, or you can just download using this Jupyter notebook itself. So if you want some clear explanation of how to install the pandas, I have created a complete video on how to install something like some libraries using the pip command. I will just give you the link here. So after installing the pandas, so you can just import that, right? I'm just importing pandas, right? Generally what we used to do means we're gonna import alias pd, right? It means it's nothing but, like, instead of using, like, if you want to use this pandas, so instead of using this pandas for everywhere you use pandas, instead of doing that, we can just use the pandas using this pd name. So this is short and clean, right? So that's the reason we used to import this as pd, or like if you want to import this as some other name, you can just do that, right? So I'm just giving import pandas as pd. I'm just giving help of pd, right? So you can see the complete explanation of this pandas, right? So you can see this is a powerful data analysis and manipulation library for Python. So you can just see the explanation for this pandas, right? You can just see the features also. So you can just here, like, by using this pandas, I just said you, right, we can just perform data analysis and also the data manipulation. So you can see here what kind of data analysis, what kind of data manipulation you can just perform. So you can just see, and you can see here like easy handling of missing data. Like if you want to handle some missing values in your data, you can just do that using pandas. Or if you want to change your column names, or if you want to resize, if you want to insert some extra data, you can just do that with pandas. Or like you can just create a data frames using the pandas. So you can just read the files, like read the excel or csv, or let's say some, or even this json file. You can just read those files using the pandas, and also perform the merging and joining of data, and also you can just reshape your data. And so you can see the complete advantages of using these pandas, right? So you can see we can just read the csv files, right? So you can just read different kind of files also, like csv, excel, or you can just read the files from the database. So these are all the advantages of using this pandas. And so this is all about pandas. So this is a basic introduction video of pandas. So I hope you understood like how to install pandas and how to, like, what is the use of this pandas, right? So this is a basic introduction video. In upcoming videos we're going to discuss all the available, like we're going to perform some data analysis, and we're going to discuss some important methods and important functionalities of these pandas, right? We're going to perform this on some data set, right? So that's it for this video. If you feel this video is helpful for you, like the video, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.